night one of the greatest reggae show on earth, Reggae Sumfest 2019.
I am having the time of my life. I love reggae. I love Jamaica.
Oh, the festival is really good.
The festival is good.
Yeah.
2019, as you know, we're standing up for all things Jamaican, and reggae music, dancehall music is no different. Reggae Sumfest is the biggest reggae show on the planet, and of course we had to be part of it.
Anytime we show interest, and when boy put enough money in my person, you can't love me for free.
What did you want to portray tonight on stage throughout your set?
Well, every year, you come to Sumfest, is one of the premier events in the industry. You just want, give a good account of yourself, but at the same time, represent the music.
But you dance the bus when like guys. Run a reggae song where you dance to life. I cannot dance on the whole place.
It's okay so far, a lot of crowd, excitement, people, everything is good. And the music is good, performance great. I love Spice.
You love Spice?
Yes.
What's your favorite Spice song?
Cool it, cool it down.
That's my favorite too.
All of the pianists, all of you. From your man to girl tonight, here's what we do. On scene. I feel fine, something. One pick a chair, but me with a cut up pumpkin.
Just a 6.
Just a 6.
Yeah.
About top pen, aka top pen, aka Elta. Shilani. The outside no St. Mary. One me a me never hesitate to rise. Adam's and him friend them could.
You know what, I come to see Lady Spice still because she bust the place.
Now tell me which man ready for a club the back, me tell them shuffle up the deck, me down the king hardy. Bubble the body for the up top boss. Bad man I walk your spice, me now be off, let me cock up your bottom man.
Just touch down in the airport. Shot suit and my Air Force. All of my girl them love me.
Who's your favorite performer for the night?
Spice, definitely. Touchdown in a Jamaica. Every girl get bigger. But you welcome back, yeah. Free the world boss with the Gaza.
Just a wait to see Squash Man come out and the 6 them. We're having a great time.
Who you came to see tonight?
Beanie Man and Bounty Killer.
Good morning! It's been a long time. Somebody! They put the people that know.
The performance from Beanie and Bunty, it was great.
Some people be dead. One. Oh, you got that? Yeah, if you cross the bridge, you like.
Amazing. Yeah.
Where are you from?
Houston, Texas. But originally from Dominican Republic. She's from Kansas City, Missouri.
Definitely give thanks to the crowd and the fans them.
Yeah, Mr. Say finish. You know what I mean? But hear me.
Sumfest Night 1 came to an unexpected end, but we're going to see what's in store for Sumfest Night 2.